on a Sunday. Wishful, not thinking what to do. We've been calling it love, but it's a dream we're going through. And if I only have one love, yours would be the one I choose. If I only have one love, yours would be the one I choose. Restful, like Devon on a Monday. Cooling, my fingers in the bay. We've been learning a song, but it's a long and lonely blues. And if I only have one love, yours would be the one I choose. If I only have one love, yours would be the one I choose. If I only have one love, yours would be the one I choose. It's peaceful, like heaven on a Sunday. Wishful, not thinking what to do. We've been calling it love, but it's a dream we're going through. And if I only have one love, yours would be the one I choose. If I only had one love, yours would be the one I choose. If I only had one love, yours would be the one I choose. Ooh, yeah.
Hey there, folks. Going to be a guitar lesson for Heaven on a Sunday by Paul McCartney from the Flaming Pie album. And folks, it's great to be back from my holiday in Maine. This is a new lesson. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling rejuvenated. So thank you for all your kind wishes. I hope you all get a chance to go on holiday and kind of recharge the batteries. So I'm a little rusty. The guitar playing's a little sloppy. The vocals are not great. But here is one of my all-time favorite Paul McCartney songs. I wanted to post this right away. Heaven on a Sunday. This song has aged so well. Paul is like a fine wine, and some of his songs just get better every year. And this is one I liked from Flaming Pie, but I think it was lost among the other great songs on Flaming Pie for me. I always liked it, but I didn't think that much of it. Over the years, this has become a big favorite of mine. I just love the production. I love the performance. And of course, it's so special having James play the solo with his father on this. So I'm not going to be teaching the solo. This is a rhythm guitar lesson. And, as always, I've kind of simplified this a little bit. It's more for beginners to beginner/intermediates. But you can play along to the record with these chords. The guitar is in standard tuning. There's no capo. So let's get into this one. There's really two parts, the verse and the chorus, we'll call it. The intro is kind of part of the verse. So let's start. I'm going to start with that nice A minor 7th. I'm just doing the simple 2-finger A minor 7th. So the high E is open. And the next chord, I believe it's a G6. But what I'm doing is taking an F major 7th shape, just sliding it up to the 3rd fret, and I think it's a G6 because you have that open high E, but whatever that is. A minor 7th to that G6, and that repeats twice. So the intro sounds something like this, right? Twice. And now we're into the verse.
Peaceful, like heaven on a Sunday.
All right, so what I'm doing is the A minor 7th to the G6.
Like heaven on a Sunday.
So what I'm doing there is an F major 7th. Now I'm doing an F major 7th, but I'm adding on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret the D note. So it's going to sound like that. Almost a D minor, but got that high E. And then I play the F major 7th kind of accentuating the high E. So it just sounds like this. So again, the A minor 7th to G6. And if you want to make that even easier, the A minor 7th, you could just add the D note, same D note, second string, 3rd fret to the A minor 7th if you want to just do that. And then, but I think it sounds a little better to go A minor 7 to the full G6. Very similar. So again, F major 7th with the D, and then just the open E. And then you repeat that one more time.
Thinking what to do.
And on this part, I just hold that F major 7th with the D, whatever that's called. I just hold that. And now it's a G.
We've been calling it love,
C.
but it's a dream.
It's an E, or I'm hearing an E7th, so I'm going to play the E7th.
We're going through
An A minor 7th, whatever variation you want to play there. I'm going to play the A minor 7th barred on the 5th fret, if you can see it there. The reason I do that is for the next part of the song. Now we're in the, if I only had one love, yours would be the one I choose. Here's the second part, the only other part of the song, since I'm not teaching the solo. You're in that A minor 7th, and let me just play it first slow. So this is what I'm doing. All right, so you're in that A minor 7th, and then you start, if I only... Now I'm playing a G minor 7th. That's why I want to start there, just to make this easy. G minor 7th, but I'm adding that high E string at the 5th fret, an A note, I guess. So I'm adding that, optional, but you can definitely hear some instrument. I'm not sure if it's the guitar. Somebody's playing that note. So I'd like to add that. So G minor 7th with that note. Then an F, but I'm going to add the high G to the F. So I'm just going to do an F major 7th shape with the high G. But you could just play an F. And then I'm going to go regular C to an E7th, back to the A minor 7th, G minor 7th, the F, C, E, E7th, so an A minor 7.
If I only had one, yours would be the one I choose. If I only had one, yours would be the one I choose. If I only had one love, yours would be the one I choose.
So again, A minor 7th to G minor 7th, to an F, to C, E7th, A minor 7th. And then you're on the A minor 7th. You just hold that. Then you span.
It's restful, like Devon on a Monday.
And everything else repeats. That's really it. I think on the solo, which again, I'm not teaching Paul and James's solos, I think they're just soloing over an A minor 7th or an A minor, and then I think they go to a D minor, and it just kind of repeats that D minor. I'd have to listen to the record. You can play along to the record, but I think that's it. I don't think there's any other chords in there. So it wouldn't sound much if I just did that. So I didn't in my cover. But that's it, folks. That is Heaven on a Sunday, again, by the great Paul McCartney off Flaming Pie. Again, folks, it's so good to be back from holiday. I'll be posting a lot of new lessons. I have many more to come, many more. I've been rehearsing, and now that I'm back, hopefully I'll get them on the channel. So thank you so much, everyone. I will see you soon. Everybody stay safe. Have a great day. And until next time, bye-bye.